Scientists build models to predict how ecosystems will develop. Animals and plants become mathematical equations in the model. And the future is captured in numbers, tables and graphs. But how can we show to the general public what a model tells about the real world? At Royal NIOZ, we combine modern computer graphics with ecological models to visualize the future. Preserving the full power of state-of-the-art ecological models, we make our scientific results visible, tangible and inspirational.
We reproduce the typical elements of natural systems to recreate a world that is not only believable and photorealistic, but is also based on scientific understanding by using very accurate field data.
Using this technique, we can show policymakers and general audiences how ecosystems may develop. We can help with difficult choices by showing the likely outcome of different restoration plans. We also show the invisible, such as mussel beds underwater. With this new animation technique, Royal NIOZ bridges the gap between the complexity of scientific results and the intuitive understanding that images bring, making science easy and accessible for all to enjoy and build on.